Welcome to the MBA department of Swami Vivekananda Group of Institutes. Today, we are going to discuss about the impact of Covid-19 pandemic on FMCG industry with special emphasis on Nestlé India Limited. Packaged food company Nestlé India Limited's June quarter revenue growth of about 2% year-on-year fell short of analysts' estimates. The company maintained its sales were adversely impacted because of the lockdown and the ensuing production disruption. Covid-19 is not just a health challenge, but also a humanitarian call to redefine the way in which humans live, engage and work innovatively. Companies that are better placed to react to the new normal will naturally be preferred more by consumers. Food companies need to leverage their in-depth knowledge of food habits, nutrition, quality, and safety to innovate and renovate and adapt to this new normal. Companies need to respond to the new demand, reset their defining relationships with consumers and reconsider their product portfolio in the post-COVID era to make products healthier while also allowing consumers to make pleasurable indulgent choices. India's economy is showing signs of recovering after withstanding the impact of Covid-19. Some sectors were impacted more than the others. With the easing of restrictions on economic activities, businesses are slowly getting back on track. The government has announced several measures to ensure business continuity and sectoral revival. Nestlé have witnessed better growth in Tier 2, 3 and 4 cities, semi-urban areas than urban areas during the lockdown. Rural consumption continues to be stronger than urban demand. Nestlé delivered strong performance in the e-commerce channel. The demand in all out-of-home consumption channels experienced a sharp decline because of the lockdown. However, Nestlé brands enjoy trust, credibility, and strength as far as in-home consumption is concerned, and this boosted sales of our dairy whitener, milk and coffee, all of which performed well this quarter. Maggi also witnessed solid growth towards the end of the quarter after initial supply constraints. Covid-19 has had a profound impact on the pace, channel, texture and frequency of consumption, across a variety of segments in the fast-moving consumer goods sector. There is a redefinition of out-of-home consumption in favor of brands and formats that are more in-home. The channel contexts have undergone sharp changes with a surge in e-commerce platforms. We ourselves have witnessed the contribution of e-commerce going up significantly, while the out-of-home sector has not done well. If you look at e-commerce channels, in the US what took 8 years in terms of penetration has been achieved in 8 weeks. Clearly, the e-commerce journey is here to stay and there will be recalibration of channels. The words quality, safety, nutrition, and trust have undergone sharper redefinition and consumers tend to favor tried and tested brands. There is a new word that has been added to the lexicon of consumer needs in the pandemic, which is immunity for self and the family. The type of categories that are in favor have changed, and together with the economic pandemic that has followed Covid-19, a recalibration of the consumer wallets is taking place where essentials are taking precedence over luxuries however affordable they are. Consumers are going to be more digitally active than they were earlier, and food companies with a strong digital-first capability are the ones that are going to hold the consumer's interest for a long time. Overall, we have accelerated our digital engagements across key parts of our portfolio and put out innovative digital campaigns to engage with consumers. That's all for today. We will be coming back shortly with more interesting content. Stay tuned to this channel. Stay home, stay safe.